Guys, I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm joined by Banker.
Hey guys.
And we are gonna do another unboxing video for you guys. This time, we've got something that's actually pretty cool. In front of us here is Xtreme Mudder's newest wheel. This is the XM 340, and the 340 is not a new wheel, but what is new is the fact that this sucker right here is a 30x16.
Yeah, so there's one wheel right here.
It is one. It's massive. So I'm pretty excited about this. I know the guys over at Xtreme Mudder called us up, wanted to ship us a sample so we could unbox it. I haven't seen it. Banker has not seen it yet.
No.
Let's get into it.
I am excited to see that this is 6x139. So can I put these on my truck?
Sure, yeah, okay. Let's do it.
Sweet. I'll call my mom, she'll clean that up later.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I remember back when like 22s were big and we were like, whoa, 22s.
Yeah.
This is impressive.
This thing is huge. Should we get it out of the box? Lawson, come here. I would, yep, right, like right there. It's Lawson, Lawson.co on Instagram. Stand it up.
Yeah, pay attention to the center cap.
Oh, yep. Okay, let's rotate this.
Look at how massive that box is. It is huge.
It's wild. All right.
Ready? Right.
Ship.
Pick it up, Lawson.
Jesus. So it literally takes 3 guys to pick this thing up. This thing is massive.
It's a big wheel.
Yeah. 30 inches in diameter, 16 inches wide, of course. I don't even have $1. I would like to do a build test.
I have a single dollar.
$1. People are gonna roast you, by the way.
That's fine.
For doing it with $1. So there is your build test, right? Absolutely massive. You've got another 2 inches conservatively.
So you're talking really only an 8-inch lip, honestly. I kind of would expect more, not gonna lie. But like, it's a big wheel.
Yeah, it's absolutely gigantic. I really like, first thing that really pops out to me is I love the bit of milling on all these edges here. You can see they only milled just the outer spokes and then the lips here. And I mean, it looks fantastic.
Things gotta look wild moving.
Yeah, I imagine it's crazy. It's almost got a directional twist to it. I don't believe they're offering these in a true directional. So you'll have one side digging, one side swooping, but still pretty cool.
You can't earn spike lug nuts. That kind of makes me mad.
Yeah, it's got a closed center cap.
But
I mean, you know.
I mean, at least it's a stylized center cap. It's not terrible.
Yeah, it looks good with the like the points here too that kind of come into the cap.
It recesses into the wheel. It actually fits the wheel. It doesn't just slap over the top.
Correct. Yeah, some of the other manufacturers on the market just plug her up in there. So absolutely massive. And probably the coolest thing about these 30x16s from Xtreme Mudder is the only place you can get them is Custom Offsets.
Oh wow.
So these are an exclusive wheel for us, which is pretty neat.
I like that.
Yeah, we were super excited to get our hands on these and be able to bring them to market, obviously. It blows my mind that you can buy a 30x16 cast wheel.
That is insane.
Because like you said, there was a time when 22s were big.
Right.
And now you're getting a 30x16 wide.
Wheel, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely massive.
A lot of tires could fit inside of this thing.
Yeah, actually, a lot of tires would fit inside this thing.
That is impressive. Now we just need to get on the market with a 35, 15.5, 30.
Just little itty bitty sidewalls.
Just a little rubber band on
Oh
there.
my gosh, that would be absolutely terrible. Jeez, I'm speechless. It's huge.
It's a cool looking wheel.
Yeah, it looks good. I think the spoke design is really busy, but I think it works for this wheel because it is so massive.
You need a lot if this is just a plain design, I don't think it would be as cool.
Yeah.
Because it would just be a bunch of really big spokes and it would look like Whistling Diesel's wagon wheels on his stern.
Oh yeah,
you know
yep.
As long as I don't have to run tires, I think we're good.
And that's the thing that, again, I want you guys to see, and I'm a pretty short guy at about 5'7", but this wheel is literally my entire torso and then some.
Yeah, it is massive.
It's huge. And it takes 3 guys to lift it out of the box. It's pretty heavy. So
go get yourself a set.
yeah, so if you want a set of these, like we said, these are available exclusively at customoffsets.com. They should be on the website really shortly, if not already up right now. So yeah, customoffsets.com, or you can click the link down in the description below. It'll take you there. You can check these out as well as all of Xtreme Mudder's other wheels. And with that, we're out.
Let's go unbox some more big.
Yes. Okay, bye.